All right, we're back. We are back. Let's see if this works. Hopefully. And we're already dropping frames like crazy. Gotta be kidding me. Hey, we're back, I think. How old is my router? Like 4 weeks. I mean, it's definitely not the router. I got a really good router. I don't know. Let's see if this works. I'm still showing issues. I don't know. What in the world is going on? That is really frustrating me. Hopefully we're back. Hopefully it's okay. M. Susan, good morning again. Nathan Fuller, Diego, welcome back. Welcome back. Chef Trades, good morning. All right, man, I'm really tempted here to take this. Tempted to take longs here. Yeah, we're already dropping frames like crazy. Oh, that's so annoying. All right, we're back. At least we're back for now. Oh, I should have taken that. My stupid internet issues. See if we can break above that one. $20,110s. Trying to break above the one. Oh, wow, there it goes. Man, I'm so. Whew, okay. We wait for a pullback. I don't want to FOMO into this. He ripping, boys. He is ripping it. Am I still Wi-Fi? No, I'm hardwired. I got the Ethernet cable plugged in the wall. So it's definitely not that. It's definitely just the internet being the internet is just being slow. I don't know what's going on. And I'm thinking I need to call Spectrum. Hey, can we get above the 140? Still haven't. And now we pull back again. Wow. Market is crazy. All right, I'm going to call them. Can't seem to control myself. I did 10K in one day and lost it 2 days later. I was using 1 NQ on a 150K account, Banzo. I mean, it sounds like you might be going a little bit too fast. Maybe just slow down. Hey, good morning, Mr. Knife Art. How we doing? Good to see you. Call them on stream and rip them. I'm trying to test some things here on the app. But man, I'm just continuing to drop frames here like crazy. Definitely not any better. Yeah, I do have fiber. That's right, ripping and dipping. That's why I'm frustrated. Yeah, here I thought fiber was bulletproof, but I guess it isn't. I mean, it's bad. It is so bad right now. Yeah, I mean, I almost have no speeds now. Ugh. All right, guys, I don't know. This is not working. This is not working. You take your lawnmower trades. What are your replicanto settings so that you know it will be closed? You're not there. I mean, I just use the same ones. I'm running right now. My uploads speeds are 8 megabytes, and it's supposed to be 1,000. I don't know. Let me look. It seems like it, like some. Now I'm like, okay. And then I'm like, are we back? But then it just lags again. Meanwhile, the market is stuck up here at the 130s. Yeah, when no one else is online. Yeah, exactly. Ever notice when you try to play a breakout, it immediately reverses, but when you try to catch a bottom or top, it just keeps going endlessly? Exactly. I noticed that a lot. I noticed that a lot, Design Knob. Good morning, Design Knob. How we doing? All right, I don't know, guys. This ain't working, man. I'm going to make a call. I'm going to go muted, and I'm going to make a call. All right. Whatever, man. We're chilling. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. They have to call me back. The wait time is longer than expected. They have to call me back. Like, really? All right. Now I'm frustrated because of my stupid internet. For Top Step, in order to have 5 combines all at once, is there a bundle or you should buy them individually? Ashman, I think you got to buy them individually. As far as I know. Hey, thank you, Lynn Davenport. I appreciate that. Is everyone's trade rate down? When you drop the April Apex, Alex Lee, so I usually try to wait at least a week before I do the top 10 video, just make sure all the data's in there. What do I think about Scotty minus 10 last night? I mean, yeah, it was very nice. Scotty, honestly, Scotty needs a win. Scotty needs a win. I mean, I don't want to call it too early, but right now, Scotty is a little bit of in a slump right now. I mean, he's still playing well, but he's definitely not playing as well as he was. It's fine on your end? Okay. I'm just going to pretend like the stream is fine. And hopefully, yeah, it stays that way. Hmm. Okay, market. We need to now, we're just waiting for a pullback now. Feel like I definitely missed out on some trades because of this internet issue. I mean, the streams are, yeah, I mean, it's continuing to drop frames, unfortunately. It's very sporadic. It goes good, and then it just drops, and then it's good again, then it drops. It's very erratic. Come on. I'd love to see a pullback back down to this opening range high. See if we can get it. Last night price action was dirty. It was actually, Faisal. It was. Watch 181, 181. Dandelion Dan. By the way, where's John? I don't see John in here. I'll wait till he's in here. I wanted to see. Oh man, I gotta wait. I gotta talk. I want to ask him something. We're just watching candles. It's not like we need 4K. It's true, but it's my OCD. I can't have a lagging stream all the time. It's just unacceptable. Unacceptable. Yesterday reversal was nasty. Yes, it was, Jing. Yesterday reversal, I took a loss on it. That move right here, that was dirty. Absolutely. There is nothing I hate more than when price does this. Like, when we do the V-shaped moves, like, zero attempt at new highs. Like, that's where I get absolutely destroyed. I mean, if we make a pullback, at least attempt to make new highs. I don't care if it fails, but at least attempt it. Then I can stay out of it. But man, when we just do those direct V-shaped moves, I get wrecked. Usually. All right, here we go. Pulling back down through that 15-minute opening range here. I want to wait for confirmation before we just blindly jump into this. We are going to wait for confirmation just in case this is a V-shaped move. Pretty violent here. Be careful. Tell you what, this market is a special you know what sometimes. I was watching you opening long at the reversal and you felt pain, Dabda. I didn't feel a thing. I didn't feel a thing. Oh yeah, you're right, Mr. Wall Street. Yesterday, you and John both were you caught a lot of that short, if I remember right. Nicely done. When you took your last long, that was the Trump liberation candle which caused the sell-off. Yep. Hey, let's go, Nathan Fuller. 10 accounts passed. Love to see it. Ooh, boys. Now who's calling me? Might be Spectrum. Hang on. All right, we're back. All right, market. This is interesting here. I don't know. Wait. We're gonna have to get confirmation here on this before we take it. Are we still dropping frames? Oh yeah, we're still dropping frames. Nicely done. Love to see it. Love to see it, Spectrum. It's so frustrating. Maddie Matt, I saw that 40 to 50. It's too funny. I mean, too funny. Your YouTube algorithm is mean to you. I'm subscribed and always have to go to your account to find your live. That's unfortunate. It's probably because I'm not a like whore. I don't whore myself out for likes. That's probably why. But it's all right. Oh, we're in, boys. Let's go. Rip it. I didn't even see that we got filled. I need to turn up my volume on my... Why did I not hear that? I have my sound turned off? Anyway, we're in, boys. Let's go. Important. We got to rip here. We got to make new highs. At least attempt to make new highs, please. We just roll over here. We got problems. Big problems. I blew the TPT ones? No, I did not. I don't know why it shows $0 on there, but those TPT accounts are in good shape. I'm actually about $20 away from passing them, so I'm very happy with where we're at on those Take Profit Trader accounts. think we need 2 more traded days. So Wednesday of next week, unless I do something insanely stupid, we should be back on having 20 or 5 take profit trader accounts. Ask them on stream for us. You just want to see me, Matty. You just want to see me blow those accounts with $20 to go. Oh, man. Hey, come on, baby. Rip it. Rip it. Fill me. Take me out, please, right now. Do it. Yes. Let's go, boys. What software am I using? This is Ninja Trader. All right, now we do need to make new highs here. We do need to make new highs. And if we make new highs, we keep taking longs on the pullbacks. So that was a picture perfect trade right there. Not too, no. Next one could go differently, but what we were looking for. And we just keep dropping frames. Oh my word, I'm so mad. And that's what she said. On the plus side, I requested an Apex payout yesterday around 10:15 a.m. and got the approval emails at 11:19. Let's go, Design Knob. Let's go. That DCA strategy is paying off, Design Knob. I love to see it. Nutty makes weird noises when trading. That's what she said. All right, market. Just keep going. Make new highs. Let's just keep doing this. If I'm connected via PC, I have Ethernet. I have a Cat6 cable connected to my PC. So yes, it's definitely not the Wi-Fi. It is definitely my internet. And we just continue to drop frames. Any update on my dental situation? As of now, my dentist appointment has been moved up to May 30th. So I guess it's an improvement. It's an improvement. Hey, new highs, baby. New highs. You love to see it. Now, let's, hey, we're just going to wait. See if we can get a pullback, and we'll jump in again. Now, these accounts, yesterday, if you guys remember, yesterday on these accounts, we were up $200 per account, and then we ended up giving it all back. So that was a little frustrating. Try not to do that today. Hey, Rick Trades. Rick Trades with the $1.99 gifted. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. $2 towards the internet upgrade. If I could upgrade, I would. I'm at the highest level that you can get, which is even more frustrating that we're having these issues. On trade, you're up 800, Zeke. That's awesome. And that is a great way to end the Friday. Head into the weekend on a good note. That is how you love to do it. Love to see it. I'm not going to be super aggressive today. If we get a couple really nice trades in, then we're going to wrap it up as well pretty quickly and ride off into the sunset today. And let's get a pullback. Come on, baby. Love me some nice pullbacks. And the high-speed Amish internet. It just keeps being bad. Man. That is actually so frustrating that having these issues. Oh, yeah, look, you have access to File and Spectrum. Yeah, see, that would be the best because it keeps each other competitive and it keeps them honest in a way of making sure you have good service. Keep your Starlink as a backup. Well, Dean Bishop, about that. We don't have Starlink anymore. I actually gave it to my brother. My brother didn't have any internet. He didn't have any internet at all. So I gave the Starlink to him. So I don't know. We're stuck with Starlink. We're stuck with them. All right, we are at the point where, come on, if this is where I don't like. I don't want to see this just rip straight up here, or I'm not even going to get an entry. Do it. Don't do it. A nice pullback. Might just rip straight up and not give me an entry. Okay, maybe. All right, now we see if we get filled. Same process as before. Just do it all over again. And we're in. Now, if you could just go to my target, that'd be great. No stress trading. We like that. Actually, I'm going to move my stop to here. Man, these stupid drop frames. Oh, so annoying. What copier do I use? I use the Replicanto trade copier. Rip it, rip it. Come on, baby. Just keep going. Don't tease me. Just straight up here is fine. Really want to see this rip. Push. Come on. Keep going. Gotta break above the 160s here. Come on. Rip it. Making me nervous. It can't be easy. Always got to sweat it. Come on, market. Don't be difficult. Just rip. Starting to give me pause here. Don't like this. Gotta push above the 160s here. Come on. Just do it. Just do it. This one's gonna take a while. We don't. Concerning. Come on, market. Rip it. Just do it. Doesn't want to do it. These are the annoying trades. How do you be a BPCF gaming? How do I trace route? How do I do that? Hybrid fiber coaxial, not true fiber. One of the big issues is upload speed is the biggest bottleneck on HFC. I see. It sounds like you know what you're talking about, BPCF gaming. I'd love to know more. I'm gonna use these big words when they talk to me. When they call me back, I'm gonna use these big words. Oh, baby! Oh! Higher. Go higher. Yeah, come on, baby. That's what we like to see. Go! Rip it! Push! Everybody together. Everybody together. Go! Go! Push! Oh, push just a little bit more. You can do it. Oh, you were almost there. You can do it. We believe. Hey. I stopped. I shouldn't have looked at it. Now I need to look away again. Let's not look at it. Let's not watch it. Then it's fine. What is my strategy on this trade? I mean, my strategy is I wait for a, I guess, direction, wait for a pullback, and I enter on the break of the previous candle, and that's basically it. That's it. It's very simple. All right, we might take. Oh, don't do it, market. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Are you kidding me? Uh, stupid market. Gosh, I hate this market sometimes. So dumb. Whatever, dude. Just couldn't feel me, huh? Just couldn't feel me. Just couldn't do it, huh? The garbage. Yeah, that was a trap. I feel like if this continues lower, this is definitely was a trap. Or this is a trap for the shorts. It's either or, so. This rips higher now, I'm really going to get triggered. Take profit, do you get 3 resets included? Free resets included. Oh? When do you use candle high as a trigger, and when do you use the previous candle open as the trigger? Honestly, I use a little bit of discretion on that. Like sometimes I will use the body of the candle. But usually I try, like, the safer way is to do it like this. Basically, the break of the previous candle high would be my entry. For example, like this one, I used the break of the previous candle body just because of how high. I didn't want I don't like to have my entries be close to the current high of the day. So I kind of use some discretion on that, on exactly where I have my entries be. And a lot of it is dependent on kind of where we are in relation to the high of the day, but we might have got faked out there. We might have got faked out on that move. Feels bad. But that, man, oh man, I hate those moves. Like, get these, like, we had a high of the 72s. Like, this is almost a 50-point candle. So hard to trade when you have 50-point candles. It's just crazy. That's like 200 ticks. The resets on a funded account are expensive. Yes, they are. They are very expensive. Yes, you are not wrong. Then I'll move your target higher to like 20,200. It just needed more inventory. I mean, yeah, it could. You might be right, but here's what I've discovered, and I'm not always right, which is fine, but like right here, I look at this as a failure to make new highs. Once we fail to make new highs, I'm going to wait until we actually make new highs. And I don't always, but that is how the safer way to trade is Because this now could be the start of it rolling over. And that's where I just don't want to be. It could be the start of a reversal or a change of momentum, and I just don't want to participate. I don't want to be trying to buy as we just continue to roll over slowly. I've done that way too many times. So we chilling. Have I tried straight to funded accounts? Gen trading? Yes, I have. These 3 Tradeify accounts are straight to funded accounts. I have been trading these now for 75 trading days. I've gotten close to $50,000 in payouts from those 3 accounts alone. So definitely, I don't have any complaints. All right, let's see if we make new highs here or not. I probably should have held on to that trade. Probably should have held. Unfortunately, we got panicked out a little bit. We panicked out on that one a little bit, for sure. That's so annoying. So annoying when you're like, we were 8 ticks close to our take profit. 8 ticks close, and then we dropped 200 ticks. That's wild. And very annoying. All right, let's see if we get above the 160s here. Right now, market is really, I don't know. Honestly, the rest of the day might be it might not be great price action the rest of the day. It's a Friday, and we've had the big move already happen. Pre-market on the news. Wouldn't be shocked if we kind of have a pretty meh day. But let's wait and see. It's consolidating right now. Yeah, it is. It's anytime we are getting into this kind of consolidation, then gotta wait. And it has to go up more. There's a fair value gap, and it's pretty bullish. No way bears will be able to stop it. And you might be right. You might be right, but only way I will get in is if I buy at the low, like maybe at the 120s, but not buying breakouts. I'm not doing it. If I trade micros, yes, we do. Hey, good morning, Sharoos. How we doing? Good to see you. On daily chart, he's close to the upper Bollinger Band, but there is a bit of room. We've got the previous highs, 20,500. Isn't it wild that we were at the 16,500s not that long ago? And those were some wild days, fellas. Those were some wild days. Man. That was crazy. Is there a way to block a website, say Tradeivate? How do you mean a way? Oh, I see what you're trying to do, Carolina. Trying to block yourself from trading. I guess there would be. I'm pretty sure there would be a way, yes. Ron Ned, I got approved on a payout, but I took from the buffer. When can I start trading that account again? Ron, so if you've gotten approved, then the funds should be removed from your account. As soon as those funds are removed from your account, you are good to go. It's called log out and leave your computer. Hey, Trader's Chick in the house. Good morning. How we doing? Is the Tradeify 150K eval easier to pass? It's not bad. I mean, consistent trader, yeah. I mean, I don't know. I don't think it's, I mean, the way I trade, I feel like I've always traded with trailing drawdown. So even with end of day drawdown accounts, I trade kind of the same. So I don't look at it as that much difference, but it's just because that's what I'm used to. But if you're used to trading end of day and then you start trading intraday trailing drawdown, that's, I think, that's where people struggle the most because it's the biggest difference. But yeah. All right, this market just going sideways now. I mean, I still like the longs here, as only because we haven't sold off more. We're kind of putting in the wedge here, but we gonna wait, see what happens. And back down we go. 140s. I'm kind of tempted here if we find support here at the 120s. I'm kind of tempted to take a stab long here. But I feel like I don't know that it's worth the risk. And now getting a pullback back down to the 130s. Below the 130s. Do I want to? This is risky if I do this, but I'm going to do it. I know the risks involved. I'm not exactly, this is not a trade according to technically not my plan, but we're going to take it. It's too easy. Jeez, that was crazy. Oh my goodness. That was like, I don't know that I've had a better trade. That was pretty wild. We literally got in. We got in, and about 15 seconds later, target filled, 100 ticks. I don't think we were even one tick in drawdown. We didn't even hit one tick of drawdown. We literally got filled. Like, it went like this. This was my target or my entry. It was like a trampoline bounce. Oh, you love to see it. Now, I would love to sit here and tell you guys that was all part of the plan, and that was me being a genius, and I do that all the time. That would be a lie. You know? I like the trade, I will say. I did call it out, but it actually wasn't a good setup according to my core strategy. But hey, sometimes we go outside the box and we live a little, and we take a little bit of additional trades, It was a minimal risk. I feel like that's why I took it. Like my entry here, my stop was here. It minimal risk, it's worth it. It is worth that's the risk to reward makes sense. If that makes sense. But that was pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty awesome. Let's do it again. Let's do it again, boys. Let's do it again now. I mean, if we pull back again, like, I'm not even joking. If we pull back again, I will probably take that trade again. I will do it. I don't think we're gonna pull back. I actually think we are now going to make new highs. That right here was a trap for the shorts. The shorts got trapped, and right now they're being played like a fiddle. Right now, the shorts are being just teased. Right now, they're being teased. They think they have hope, but it's the hope and nope strategy. And now this is going to come down to like here, and it's just going to rip straight back up. But this is not financial advice. Design knob. Oh, don't easy design knob. Design knob woke up this morning and chose violence. Do it again. Surely it works exactly as the previous one. Nothing could possibly go wrong. Well, if there's something that goes wrong, design knob, we have the solution. We just DCA. DCA for the win. Okay, and now I'm feeling a little bit bold, which is usually a bad sign. But I want to go long right here really bad. Oof. Okay, we might regret this. This might look back at this time and be like, wow, Nutty really lost it right here. But playing the range. We're trading a little bit, trading the range here, so hopefully this bounces right off the 140s, right off the EMA. Come on, baby, rip it. Just do it. Don't tease me. Come on. Don't tease. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Let's go. And markets are just being spanked right now. Absolutely being taken out to the woodshed and spanked. And you love to see it. Yep, here we go. We're going to rip to new highs right here. Telling you. You know, I need to sell a course. We're missing out on some serious money. We could pre-record this. This would be the intro to the Discord service. Sell a fee. Sell it. Oh, man. Now I can't trade. The rest of the day, I can't take any more trades. Because now we've officially we've made fun of the market. So that means we now have to stop trading. Because the markets don't forget. The markets never forget. Unless you start using my affiliate code. Like I always said, if I ever start selling a course, I mean, I ever start selling a course, something terribly has gone wrong. Something has gone really, really bad. Okay, John. John, I've been waiting for you. John, I want to ask you. John, did you see Dr. Lupo's situation? Yeah, this is gonna rip. We're making new highs, folks. He's doing it. I submitted for a payout yesterday around 10. Oh, yeah, exactly. Let's go. Has anyone had their Apex PA accounts disappear from their dashboard, GT Trader? That does not sound like a... No, I haven't. I haven't heard of anyone either. The only time that's happened is if you have a monthly reoccurring PA. If you have a monthly reoccurring PA account and your credit card expired or something like that, then they disappear. Or if you blow them. Yes, if you blow them, they will disappear. Pretty interesting concept. Keegan Murphy, mine were untraded. Keegan Murphy, really? Or maybe, I mean, if that's the case, I have, and mine were not blown, and I paid them for the life. GT Trade, I mean, then something is wrong. I would submit a ticket, do something, because that I've not heard of that ever before happening. Lee Curtis, how do I manage the take profit trader eval 5-day feed? I mean, it's difficult. I'm not gonna lie. I have a hard. Recently, I've been passing take profit trader evals a lot better, but they're difficult. It's difficult to pass. These 5 accounts. I mean, we are doing really well on those accounts. Like I usually try to get a pretty good first day in. Like I try to get like 50% or close to it on that first day. And then after that, I slow down a little bit. But what does your copier cost a month? It's a one-time fee, Dutchman. Replicanto is a one-time fee. You just pay one time, and I think, I'm not even sure. I think that if you use code NuttyBar20, I think you'll get a discount. I'm not even sure if that still works, but there are members in the Apex Facebook group who have had theirs disappear also. GT Trader? Really? Like without any explanation? Are you saying they were disappeared for inactivity or something? Huh. I'd love to see some information on that. Oh, yes, John. Yeah, John. Okay, about the whole Dr. Lupo situation, man. Oh, man, that's crazy. So, kiss me, I goat. That's fair. John, so, yeah, that's wild. That is wild. Like, and it just, I mean, I don't even know what to say. I thought Dr. Lupo was pretty sound. It's just like, man, does everybody cheat? Like, I'm starting to just get the opinion that everybody just is looking like it's crazy. People just are always, or I don't understand. Like, I just don't understand. Yeah, and then Mizkif was cheating. Like, okay, my thing is, here's the thing. So, I mean, these streamers are making insane amount of money. Like, it's they're making so much money, yet they still feel the need to cheat. And like, I just don't get it. I'm disappointed. I'm like, how is how is it that hard? Like, just don't be an idiot. Like, oh, anyway, it is what it is, I guess. We all make mistakes. I understand people can make bad choices, people can make mistakes. And I, for one, I'm all for giving people a second chance. If you admit your mistakes and you know, we all mess up. I get that. It's just it's disappointing. And especially coming from him with it, like, John, I know you thought about this too, especially with the Dr. Disrespect situation, like that whole situation and Dr. Lupo's take on it. And I know those are not comparable, like they're not comparable, but still a little bit. But sorry for you, for those of you that don't understand, I'm sorry, this all makes no sense at all, but basically it was $100,000 chess tournament, $100,000 chess tournament, and he was using a engine where basically what happens is on a different screen, you put in your opponent's moves, you put your opponent's moves into this engine, and then the computer will automatically tell you what move you need to make in order. It's like a 99% win probability. It's like 100% cheating. And he was doing it. That's what's wild. And oh yeah, I don't know, man. No, sorry, not like that, Crypto Poppy. Sorry. I should have clarified that. And that's why I say it's not the same. It's not the same situation. It's just if you know the industry where these guys are in, and some of the stuff that's been said, did the rules state you couldn't do that? Yeah, very clearly. That's 100% against the rules. And what makes it even worse is he was confronted about it. People were speculating and suspicious that he was cheating. So people started to speculate about it and talk about it. And then the people in charge of the tournament, they contacted him and told him that he's disqualified, because the reason that they can see is because they have people watching. So if you are, for example, in chess, if you use an engine, it will tell you what move to make, but they don't make sense to the human, I guess. And if you keep making those same moves, eventually you will know that the guy is cheating, because you can do the same thing. And if the guy is making the same move as the computer is suggesting that they move, it's like a very easy way to tell that they're cheating. But the tournament, they found out and they told him, hey, you're disqualified for cheating. And then he first came out and said, and then he lied about it, which makes it even worse, and said, hey, it was my chat. He blamed the chat. He said, well, the chat was giving me the moves, and like I accidentally looked at the chat. I shouldn't have been looking at the chat. That's my bad. But he just blamed it on the chat that those chess moves they were giving him. But then later he got called out again, because like people just were able to go back on the VOD and people could see, they could see the chat logs. Nobody in the chat was giving him the moves. So then he got called out again on it. And then he's like, actually, yeah, you're right. I was using the engine. And anyway, that's the drama for the day. Meanwhile, this market cannot seem to make new highs. We're not missing anything. So, I mean, it's human beings are scumbags. Can we all just agree to that? This is hard for me to digest because my default, like, I get myself in trouble like this a lot, but I'm one of those people that actually think this is like, okay, I think most people are genuine and I think most people are good people. Like, I think most people are good people but they can make bad decisions. I do think that's what happened. I think he made a terrible choice, but it really makes you question if he was willing to cheat in $100,000 chess tournament, what other games that he plays is he willing to cheat? I'm going to just go out on a limb and say, if you're willing to cheat in $100,000 chess tournament, you're probably cheating in some other stuff. And I'm not saying life, but I'm talking about games. And that to me is sad. That disappoints. I'm very disappointed. Very disappointed. You hate this. You hate to see it. I actually need to listen to Dr. Disrespect today because when is Dr. Disrespect even going on today? Because I'm sure he's going to have an opinion on the matter. It's going to be wild, folks. Going to be wild. And again, I'm like, I mean, it just makes me go back and realize again, and I've said this in the past, and I mean, I'm no saint, okay? I'm no saint either. I've made mistakes. I've made plenty of mistakes in my life that I'm not proud of, but you know, it it really comes down like just don't cheat. Then you don't have to worry about getting caught. Like if you just don't be an idiot, then you don't have to worry. Same with some of this stuff that comes out with people like Shannon Sharp. Like it's just like, dude, are there any normal human beings remaining in the world? Like it's like it's crazy. Anyway, I knew John. Ah, is Dr. Disrespect a doctor? No, he is not. I want to cheat at trading, says Larry Hudo. I mean, that would be different. We would all cheat in trading if we could. Or again, that's why, never mind. There are probably ways you could, but it's a good Amish rule. Just don't be a douchebag. You know, that does sound like a wild take anymore in today's society, but just don't be a douchebag. You know, it's actually not that difficult. I'll start a club. Don't be a douchebag club. Oh, wait, the duck race is not rigged. Oh man. We've had multiple audits of the duck race. It is passed in flying colors every time. Oh. Man, this market is starting to be very boring. Let's see, can we break out here? Oh, you guys want music? Oh. Yeah, we're still in a buy here. I definitely, as long as we stay above the opening range high, as long as we stay above this 125 level, I mean, there's no need to, at least for me, I'm looking for longs. But we're definitely not going to long. Oh, we finally got the breakout. There she goes. 180s, testing the 190s. There she goes. Very nice, very nice. Let's go. Oh, see, people are wanting music. People want to hear the music. You know what I'm waiting for? I'm just waiting for Ben and Rose to release a new song. We need a new song. Can't wait. You know you love it. Okay, so it looks like the Dr. Disrespect is going to be streaming at 12:15 p.m., an hour from now. That should be interesting. Oh, oh man. I'm such a sucker for drama. I am a sucker. I love when there's drama, but I'm not directly involved is kind of how I prefer it. Just sit on the sidelines eating popcorn. Oh, I'm such a can we scalp on My Fund of Futures? Carolina, I think they do have some scalp rules. I'm not sure what they are though. Can you say why you took your trades today? You just joined MTG Cars? I mean, I can. This one here, just because. I mean, this one here was a pullback breakout above the previous candle, go long, take profit. Honestly, this trade here, I got scared. I probably should have held. But we kind of made up for it because we got in here, took profit, whatever. These two trades were more just speculation trades, but they worked. So therefore, I'm a genius. You're welcome. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, wait, John, what is it? Hang on, hang on, hang on. Yeah, I saw that video. I watched that full video of Asmongold. Oh, man. I have no words. I mean, oh. Wait, they have a DB problem. What do you mean GCTA? They have a D draw? What? Tell me. I need to know. What does DB stand for? I swear, since coming to YouTube, I find men are more drama kings than women are drama kings. That's fair, traitorous chick. That's fair. We are definitely, it's entertainment, you know? It's cheap entertainment, and I enjoy. I'm not even gonna lie. I enjoy it. uh I'm a sucker for it. Not gonna lie. I love the drama except when Kellyanne gets mad at me. I don't like when Kellyanne is mad. She scares me a little bit. Just a little bit. She's a little bit on the crazy side, it seems like. Just a little crazy. But I do love giving her I do love giving her a hard time. It's about time I asked her if I can promote some of her affiliate codes again, just to see if we're still on the same page. Nothing better than a good troll. Diego Lima. The doc is definitely entertaining. Can you please explain again your math on getting 20K accounts and getting payouts? You did some math yesterday that was very interesting. Athleman. I mean, it's very simple math. If you have 20 accounts, I mean, technically 25, but who's counting? 20, and you just average $100 a day, because if you go for $300 days, you're going to have some loss. You're going to have some losing days. So to average out the losing days, we're going to go with $100 days. So 25 accounts times $100 is 20. I mean, it's $2,500 a day times 20 trading days. That's 50,000. Is it easy? No, it is not. Guarantee you. I can assure you with 100% certainty that doing that is not easy. Okay? That I want to make very, very clear. Because if it was easy, everyone would do it. And the other thing you have to remember is you would first need to make $65,000 just so then you are payout eligible. So that's also something to be very aware of. You have to make 52,000, and then you can start taking your payouts every 8 days. But is it mathematically possible? Yes, it is. And people do it. Is it easy? No. Don't get it twisted. I didn't say it was easy. We are in the 11 a.m. reversal. Yeah, that is actually true. I mean, you buy low, sell high. It's pretty easy. That is true. It is true in that sense. Just do it. It's like, just do it. Okay, we are pulling back. Sort of pretty big pullback here. Oh, am I going to take this trade if we get a setup? You know what we're going to do? We're going to switch accounts. We're going to let this group of 5 accounts, we are going to lock it in on these 5. We're done trading those for the day. We're going to go to our next group of 5 accounts. Next group of 5 accounts, and this is where we are going to take our trade. Technically, we would need to get in right here. All right, now we wait. If we get filled, we get filled. If we don't, we don't. Thing might continue lower. What's going on with Top Step? I've been waiting 1 week for an answer from support. I have no idea, Diego. Maybe they're too busy creating their own alliance with all the other prop firms. Do I always trade with 2 micros? Yeah, right now. The current volatility that we're in, I trade with 2 micros. Before Trump was elected, I traded with 4 micros, but the volatility got insane. We sized down to 2 micros. There were a couple days where we were only trading with 1 micro. Yogi Bar, yeah. If you know, you know. Yeah, we haven't we haven't had our daily dose of the Babylon Bee. Let's see what they're cooking up today. MP Sim. Yeah, Dakotas. I don't. It's whatever. I'm so sick and tired of them. They're holier than thou attitude. 12. Let's see what kind of news trending. Let's see if we have any good. Do we have any? This is a good one. If you know the reference, this is funny. Bill Belichick puts girlfriend in pack and play until practice is over. That's a good one. That's a good one. What else do we have here? Yikes. This one here, we might have to, this is actually an interesting idea here. Wife beginning to suspect husband's thoughtful, relevant responses to her texts might be AI generated. Now, there's a thought. I will say I have gotten accused of in the past. I feel like maybe not warranted, but I've gotten accused of maybe being a very short texter, very short and to the point. So I could use AI to text. That might be I don't know, might be something we need to look into. Oh, this is funny. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. Oh. Look, Canada surpasses California as the state with the most liberal governor. Get it? Because Trump said that he's going to make Canada the 50th another state. If you don't have a sense of humor, you should not watch or look at the Babylon Bee. It requires a sense of humor. I still think the one Kamala Harris live stream speech will charge $25 to use the mute button. It's going to be her new fundraiser. Oh, this is. Look at this. Shedeur Sanders drafted by McDonald's in the 3rd round as the fry/cook. Oh, man. Okay, we need to stop. I think that does it. Nutty, I need 90% off. Well, I'm afraid I can't help. I wish I could help you with that. I mean, if it was up to me, I would run 90% off sales every other day. Maybe every other week. Last year before you ever made a payout, I remember how many times you lost all accounts. Oh, don't even remind me, Tony. Tony Montana. Very true. Those were some dark, dark days. Not gonna lie, those were some dark days. I remember how many times you lost all accounts. What kept you going and believing? Because I am the most stubborn human being that you'll probably run across. Once I commit to doing something, giving up is just not an option. I just Giving up is just, that ain't happening. All right, we're canceling this order. So I guess just being too stubborn to give up, but then also in that process, continuing to learn and know what not to do. On it, that sums up probably more the truth than anything else. Is getting payouts is more about knowing what not to do than knowing what to do. So you got to learn what is like, because I could have slow and steady days for a month straight, but then one day I would blow up everything. And as long as that is a habit, and as long as you keep doing that, it's just not sustainable. And I still have blowups. But I have them way less frequently than I used to. I still have days where I just completely go on tilt, but they're fewer and further apart. And the key is baby steps. You just got to improve, focus on getting better. Baby steps, man. And here's the good news for you guys. For you guys that are struggling, here is the good news. There is hope. There is hope. Because I am not anything special. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm not that smart of a guy. I have an 8th grade education, and I barely know how to pronounce some of your guys' names. So if I can do it, you can do it. That's the benefit. That's the positive. But it's not easy. It's not easy. There's a lot of pain, lots of suffering, and there were some there were some dark times, man. There were some dark times, man. We need to pay attention here. Hold up, wait a minute. Actually, gonna enter right here. I know this is that's wild. We kind of wasn't paying attention, but this would technically be where my entry was going to be. So that's why we're okay here, jumping in. I take my profit right there. Now, this is going to be important if we're going to roll over it or not. You guys remember. You guys are the real ones for sticking with it or sticking with me during those dark times. I don't know how you guys did it. You guys had to be so disappointed in me so many times. Like, it had to be excruciatingly painful. And just like, man, this nutty guy is just the biggest idiot. Like, he just does not learn. He does not learn. He literally keeps doing the same thing over and over again. The story of my life, man. We eventually, with enough pain, we learn a little bit. Little bit. All right, market. This has got me a little bit nervous. You were supposed to break above this 160 level pretty directly. Come on. Go. I think we need to zoom in so we can see better. Come on, baby. Go. Uh-oh. Making me nervous. I mean, this could very well just be a leg lower, and we could be looking at a reversal. There's definitely that possibility. Okay, go. Keep going. It was painful to watch at times, but look at you now. Hey, thank you, Black Coffee. I appreciate that. Yeah, it was definitely as painful as it was to watch. Just know it was more painful going through it. There were times where there were times if it wouldn't have been for you guys, like, in holding me accountable, I might have given up. I don't know. I don't think I would have given up, but there were a couple times where I was so mad. Oh, I was so frustrated with myself a couple times that, I mean, I think it was pretty apparent. You could see it in my videos, but and then what makes it worse in those times when I was going through the struggles and when I was so frustrated with myself, it was in those times where you'd have the people come in your comments and troll you. Like, trolling you in those times, oh, that triggered me so bad. And I had the LOLs. Oh, don't even get me started. Don't get me started, man. There's still people banned from those days. You know, we haven't done a massive unban in a long time. I'm trying to think. We haven't done a massive unban in a long time. Let me look at some of these names. Ooh, there's some names I still remember. Oh, man. Oh, dear. Some of these. Oh, my goodness. Do you guys remember? Oh, my gosh. I don't even want to say the name. But do you guys Okay, time out. If this thing doesn't go right here, I might actually close this trade. Not liking the vibes here. Market, just go higher, please. We'll do nutty pardons. We showed the haters. You know, sometimes I want to go after some of the haters. Like, there were some people that, you know, I remember some things that were said. Like, yeah, what about now? But you know what? We're not going to do that. Hey, right here. Come on, market. Push it. Gotta go. Gotta go right here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Can do it. Can do it. And we're out. We're going to take that. This might make new highs. Yeah. See, now we're going to wish we'd stayed in, but it's okay. We're going to be chilling. I always get a little bit cautious around the 11 o'clock hour that we start to roll over. But do you guys remember, just looking at my ban list, some of you guys will remember this name. Do you guys remember Master Friend? Do you guys remember that? Do you guys remember Master Friend? Some of you guys will, some of you won't. A lot of you won't. But where's Ponzi? Ponzi's great. Ponzi isn't banned. Master Friend, yeah, that douchebag. So there was a guy. He tried. So the backstory on that guy. So he came in. I think he sent me an email. And he sent me an email, and he was trying to get me to basically promote his Discord. And then basically he wanted to teach me how to trade. And then, of course, he wanted me to promote his Discord. And then he wanted to get all the credit for getting me profitable. And long story short, I told the guy to go fly a kite, but he got so mad that he sent his little army of Discord people into my chat on a daily basis trying to like just troll me every day. Any day I'd have a red day, they would be there to try to remind me of how terrible of a trader I was. Talk about a douchebag. Where you at now, Mr. Friend? Master Friend. Very funny. Guess we got the last laugh on that one. No, I don't like to troll people too bad, but that guy's a douchebag. And then we have some of the how would I say, like Kyle. Everybody remembers Kyle S. Kyle S. Was Grizzly a relative? No. Who's Grizzly? Who was Grizzly? Is Grizzly banned? Let me look. Is Grizzly man, we're reminiscing the trolls today. But you know what's weird? Like back in the day when I was struggling trading, the trolls really got to me a lot more. And now, like, I just hear the mouse back there or what? Anyway, but Grizzly, yeah, there was definitely a couple and oh, there's some names here from a certain situation that we're not going to talk about. I don't even see Grizzly on here. I do remember Grizzly, but I don't remember exactly that whole situation. He probably changed his name. Probably changed his name, but it's okay. Anyway, good times, man. Yeah, I remember Grizzly, but I don't. Ponzi vanished even though the market dumped. I know. But Ponzi wasn't like trolling me, or I always looked at it like Ponzi. I love Ponzi. Ponzi was fine. Ponzi was or to me there's a difference, like, yeah, there's a big difference, but I was fine with Ponzi. He cracked me up. Anytime Ponzi came in the chat, you know what was coming. Oh, Grizzly was the guy that always typed in the caps, and he did not use his indoor voice. We had to let him go. Which copy trader do I use, John King? I still use Replicanto. Now, talking about an actual troll, you know what? I need to find a channel. Oh, man, I should not do this. Oh, dear. I'm not sure this is a good idea. What was that guy's name? He used to send me, oh my word, I just remember this now. There was a guy way back in the day, and he used to send me emails about, like, basically he was so convinced that the prop firms, like, he was convinced the prop firms never were real. Like, you couldn't get a payout. The only people that got a payout were influencers, and everything was fake. Like, and he was so convinced. I mean, you could not tell him anything different. And he used to troll so hard. Oh man, I forgot about him. I even could, I tried to send him all kinds of proof. This did not matter. It did not matter. He would just keep trolling. And I even told him, I like, dude, like, try it for yourself, see if it works, and then make your claims. but I can't remember the guy's name, so I could like but he used to send me emails. Oh man. Oh, it's crazy. Look at this market. We are actually going to make new highs. Wow. Just slow and steady higher. Sounds like Kellyanne. Yeah, design. But it wasn't, he wasn't like, he said that about every prop firm. Like he was convinced that Top Step was doing it. It didn't matter. It wasn't just Apex. He was convinced every prop firm was a fake front to just get new people in. And his theory was you get new people in and then they would never get a payout. And as soon as you got a payout like ready, then you would get like banned. Yeah, it's so dumb. It's so dumb. The guy was coping. So hard. But anyway, I digress. What am I using on the right? This is my account dashboard. It's a plugin from Affordable Indicators. And you basically can just show all your accounts. By the way, let's show, actually, hang on. Let's disconnect our Apex accounts so we can show our Take Profit Trader accounts. Here we go. This is what is annoying about, now that I've switched to Rhythmic on my Take Profit Trader, I always have to disconnect my Apex and then reconnect my Take Profit. This is going to annoy me. But this is where we're at on our Take Profit Trader accounts. All 5 of them pretty much passed. We are $8 away. This one is passed. We need to trade 2 more days. Let's go. But that's where we're at on the Take Profit accounts. But obviously, you know, we're a long way away from, the hard part is to come. The hard part is getting above that buffer. Getting above that buffer, as we all know, that is the difficult part. So, I'm not sure what my strategy is going to be to do that, but I think I'm going to, I don't know. I mean, I've been tempted to try to be a little more aggressive in the beginning to try to get those accounts above the buffer. Like, it's so tempting to try to go and just do like 2 minis, you know, trade 2 minis, look for a really nice move and get above that buffer and then slow down. But I know that's a reality. That's a disaster waiting to happen. We all know how that will go, you know. And we have made new highs. Wow. I guess we could have held this trade a little bit longer. Definitely feels like this market is only going to go higher today. Just it might be one of those Fridays where we just grind higher all day long. I could see that happening. If that's the case, then I'm okay with it. We're just going to jump in and go along for the ride. Molly's Wolf, I used to be that guy. Now we're getting payouts every week. Let's go, Molly's. My PA account missing since yesterday. Wait, Jim. That is now the 3rd. Okay, I was under the impression that PA accounts last 10 years. I have 5 accounts and I have not used them for a while. I was trying to build the other accounts. Okay, Jim, that is, I think, the 3rd person that has said something. I'm going to reach out to Apex. I'm going to reach out to Apex and get clarity on that because that's weird. That is weird. I will reach out and just see if we can get some clarity on it, but I mean, they never Apex never had an inactivity rule in the past. Egan Murphy, mine still appear in the signatures page, but aren't going anywhere everywhere else. SH. Don't worry. There are real people getting payouts. It's not just influencers getting payouts, so don't worry. Yeah, GT trade. I mean, I'm gonna try to get some clarity on it. Something definitely ain't right. Would you have a way to send me like proof GT trades of what's happening? If you have something to send me, do it. What do I do if the price I see in Tradeify is different from Apex or TradingView? Gen Trading, like significantly different? Yeah, Jim, that's weird. Okay. Jim. So Jim, yeah, submit a ticket. Submit a ticket if that actually happens. Submit a ticket. It looks like there might be some kind of glitch with it. There might be some kind of glitch with it, but to submit a ticket and they'll get it fixed for you. If you just submitted a ticket, just be patient. I know it sucks, but don't keep and just submit a ticket and be patient. Give them at least 2-3 days to respond. Yeah. Brian Luna, you lost 2 PAs? Like they disappeared? When did that happen, Brian? You sent 2 tickets and no answer? When did you send in the ticket, Brian? 2 days ago? So I would, yeah, send him off and get him. I just be patient. That's all I can tell you. I don't have any control on how fast Apex responds to their help tickets. Unfortunately. Oh man, do I need to take this? I actually need to take this, but this is one of those trades where we're so close to the highs that it's kind of iffy, but it's such a good signal that we got to take it. Give me that breakout. Let's see that breakout above the 200s. Just now realize we're going long right at the 200s. I feel like that might not be the best idea, but here we are. And why did I decide to do that? I did not realize. I did not realize we were at the 200s. Yikes. That's a yikes. Not a big fan of that. We're gonna, I guess we'll hold. Okay, here we go. Let's go break those highs. Let's go. If we can get above the 200s, then we might do one of those really quick spikes. Okay, go baby. Rip it. Come on, just go. I do not want to see this go back, pull back now a lot. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out here. I don't like that. I do not like it. I should have probably just taken my profit up here, but kind of wicked up above the 200s, now pulling back. I am not interested in letting this go all the way and do something stupid. Which means the market will now go higher, probably. Yeah, it's doing the slow grind, Travis. Yep. I don't mind the slow grinds. I got all the time in the world. We're going to just wait, and every pullback, we just jump in. We close our eyes. Hope for the best. It's a great strategy. Seriously? Why do people... Hang on, I got to take this. Stupid marketers. Whoa! Holy mama! There she goes. There she goes. What is going on? Who tweeted? Who tweeted? What in the world was that? Man. Man, this market is crazy. Wow. Now that's if this wicks lower, that's going to be concerning. Look at the volume on this. I mean, look at the volume on that move. That was a crazy. I mean, that's a crazy volume spike. For middle of the day. Wow. Old Twitter finger must be getting antsy. Trump hasn't tweeted yet, but this was all of Trump's aides buying for preparation of the tweet. Wait, Top Step just told me the market just opened. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. You've been watching me for a while. You've not seen me have a red day. I mean, I can go back in a week ago and I can show you a red day. I'm pretty sure of it. Gutenberg, Mockery. How are you doing, Mockery? Man, oh man. This is now where I'm like, this is no longer a slow grind higher. Now we're in volatile mode. And I don't like trading this. I'm not gonna FOMO. I am not gonna FOMO. Oh, really? Charles Ward? That's weird. If I ever accidentally enter with 5NQ instead of MNQ, yeah, I've done that. I have done it. Man, if we get a pullback here, imagine I should have held. We had the perfect entry right there at the 187s. Should have just held, man. I hate to see it. What a crazy rip. What a crazy rip. Hey, Pine Tree. Pine Tree with a 20 gifted. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Wendy's on me. Ooh. You know what? I think I can actually DoorDash Wendy's. I think I actually can. The dangerous. I do miss. You know what I miss? I miss Chick-fil-A. I do. I miss Chick-fil-A. In Florida, there was a Chick-fil-A like really close. I definitely miss Chick-fil-A. Thank you, Pine Tree. I appreciate that. It stopped at the midpoint. Keegan Murphy, those headlines came out. Man, this is crazy. Oh, okay, market. Now we just need a pullback. Just gonna keep going. What is on my chart is why is there a 23.6% on my chart? No idea why that's on there. On here too. Looks like some kind of level. But I don't know from where is it? I want it gone. Take me. I don't know. I can't get it out. Okay, hang on. We need to get this off the chart. Let's go to the 2-4. Oh, your guys' eyeballs are all gonna die right here. Why is this on my chart? Get it off. Why are you? How do you get it off? Somebody help. Delete all drawings. No, that doesn't. Whatever, man. I guess we're just leaving it on there. Let's see. Getting the pullback. Getting the pullback. We just got to be careful that we don't get trapped in a reversal. Right, I'm going to take a long here if we break above this. If we break. If we don't, then we're chilling. And if we come back and maybe test the 200s here, maybe we can get an entry there. All right. Kellyanne just kicked me out of her Discord. Uh-oh. Oh, snap. We're in, boys. Everybody hold on. That was crazy rip higher. Geez. This is getting violent. Getting violent, boys. Like, and I assume there's some kind of news, right? Has to be some kind of news here, right? You know what? I took this trade on the wrong accounts. I guess that's too bad. We're gonna stick it. We're gonna stay with it. I meant to trade this on my other 5 accounts, but it's fine. I'm gonna take profit right here if we can get it. Just go ahead and fill me. That'd be great. Hey! How did that not fill me on that first move? But anyway. Okay, okay, we got it. It's all good. Now we move to the next. This is the group we need to be trading. We got distracted trying to get rid of this. I don't know why that is on there. Why is this on here? Why can't I get it off? Someone needs to tell me this. Drives me crazy. How do I get it off? Like, I don't get it. Not as an indicator. I don't know. I don't know how you get it off, but whatever. I guess we're stuck with it. Thank you, D. Thank you, D. We followed the plan and it worked. Let's go. All right, let's see if we can break above that 250 level. Need to break above that 250. Well, I did. It's not an it's a drawing, but it doesn't. Here, maybe this will. Oh, there. Oh. Let's go. We removed it. Woohoo! We did it. I don't know what happened, but I got it off. Now we just need to get it off of this one. Just kept clicking this. Ah, I got it. Guess you have to spam the hide button. Show it, and then you can delete it. Okay, okay. All right, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna delete this. Important for my OCD. All right, let's go. We did it. Now we can trade again. It only goes higher. That's right, Design Knob. That's right. We need some Ben and Rose. Let's go, Dan Taloy Dan, with the nice call out. Let's get some likes in here. You know what? I owe you guys a giveaway. We need to do a giveaway. We want to do a giveaway. Celebration. In celebration of getting over 100,000 in payouts this year, we're gonna do a giveaway. Woot woot. You know what? Time for Ben and Rose. Rips lost 100K today on his live account? Geez, I hope not. All right. Okay, the Apex oh, the PAs. Thank you, Parasa. Appreciate it. All right, we are doing the giveaway. Exclamation mark Nutty, and you will be entered in the giveaway. We're going to do a duck race. Cash money giveaway. Cash money.
Slowly but surely I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love with you. Slowly but surely you're winning.
Type exclamation Nutty in the chat if you think this song is awesome.
Slowly but surely I'm losing my heart. And I'm losing my heart.
I picked the perfect time to play the songs. The chat is moving too fast. You guys you can't type anyway.
If I spend my lifetime with you, you're just what I wanted. You're just what I needed. You're my every dream come true. My love's growing stronger. I can't wait much longer. I'm falling in love with you. Slowly but surely I'm falling.
Come on, market. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Nothing better than some Ben and Rose while I'm in a trade and it's a winning trade. Those are good times.
And you're winning my heart too.
No, Patrick did not introduce me to this song. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is probably not the taste of Patrick's music. I don't know though. I could be wrong, but I'm just gonna probably go out on a limb and say that. Alpine. You probably get requested this song at weddings a lot, right? This would be a great wedding song. They probably just don't know of the song, or they would request more of it. And a white monster. Hey, I got the Nutty Bar in the fridge if you can get the white monster. If I'm serious, I'm serious. Why would that not be a good wedding song? I mean, I think that's fair. Only one more song, then we'll stop. The vibes have to be great.
This whole world would be yours to have and hold if teardrops were pennies
Another copyright strike incoming.
If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the riches my pockets.
By the way, did we? Our internet issues are good. We're good, folks. I forgot about it.
treasures untold. If
Let's go.
teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold.
I said I'm on my way to a wedding now. We'll do a sound check with it. Oh, please do, Alpine. Oh, I see. You were thought I was trolling. Alpine, use this song to sound check. You're probably going to get a lot of requests. People are going to come to you and you're like, hey, what was that sound? What was that song you played in the beginning? Can we have that again?
If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the riches my
What does this market come to?
I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold,
But teardrops are pennies.
and heartaches are gold.
All right. Okay. There you go. That is the daily dose of Ben and Rose, brought to you by, not even sure. Who wrote this song? I have no idea. Let's do a co-stream next week. I'll come on your stream. I need a vent. Let's do it, Alpine. I'm down. I'm down. I think that would work. I need to figure out. I still don't know how to make it so that I can have two camera feeds like on the same time. Do you know? I don't know how to do that. Something. I don't know why, but I can't do it. But that actually would be good. Nutty TV. That's right. We're gonna compete with the BDH. Don't be great. Let's ask Top Step TV how they do it. Actually, maybe I'll text Patrick. He knows how to do it. Maybe I can get him to do it. This might be. Oh, never mind. There we go. All right, come on. I mean, we did not make a new high here, so that's a little bit concerning. Just slightly, though. Not terribly concerning. The market obviously only goes higher. Let's see. If we pull back, maybe, I mean, a bigger pullback would be back to the 200s. Guess we just wait. If we get an entry, we're going to take it. I don't know why we wouldn't. At this point, we're just going to take it, and whatever happens, happens. Okay, the duck race giveaway. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds left, fellas. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, but you also have to like the video. If you don't like the video, you'll be automatically disqualified from the duck race. And I don't know how, but I can tell. I can tell if you like the video or not. Just trust me. Oh man, we're not even going to get an entry here, are we? I'm not going to enter up here at the highs of the session currently. I'm not doing it. You like the video? Let's go, Mikey. Lots of love. I don't know how, but I can tell. You know what cracks me up? You know what always kind of tickles me? Is when people do giveaways on Twitter and they're like, in order to be entered, entered for the giveaway, you have to like the comment and you have to comment on I don't know, they have all these different things you have to do. Trust me, they don't check. I'm pretty sure no one checks that. No one is like, okay, yeah, let me make sure they did all that. Oh man. All right. Well, we might as well do let's just do the duck race. Let's do the duck race. First, we need to pick the names. I mean, I'm kind of watching the market here. If we pull back, I might look for an entry here. So let's pay attention. That's strange. Twitter has become unusable because of giveaways. Yeah, it's kind of rough. It's rough out there. Okay, we're gonna pick the names. I don't want to. I'm gonna pick the names like this. We're gonna do it like this so I can keep watching this price action. All right. Hang on. We need to make sure we're ready for the names list. All right, here we go. Here we go. And we're going to pick 15 names. 15 names. Add me to the race automatically. If I win, then rerun, and I'll double the giveaway unless we're talking hundreds of millions. Well, now that you mention it, Alpine, I was going to do a $2,000 giveaway. I'm just kidding. I was going to do $100 to first place, 75 to second place, and 50 to third place. Are you good with that? Do you want to do that, Alpine? If we do 100, 75, and 50, is that good? Okay, I'll do $100 to first. Okay. I just blew my load on eval. You're a funny guy. You're a funny guy. There's a lot more where that came from. Okay, you guys heard it. Thanks to Alpine. Alpine is going to have his name automatically entered into the duck race with the only thing is, if he wins, we will rerun the race and then we will add additional $100 to the prize pool. I think that's fair. I like it. I like it. Okay, here we go. The first name is M51. M51. Good luck, sir. Next name, Ben E. Ben E. Good luck. What? Okay, we got... why do you guys have such difficult names? You just like to torture me, don't you? Nike Architect. Nike Architect. I'm going to I think that's right. That sounds right. Nike Architect 88. I mean, good luck. Next name, Nathan Mulder. Nathan Mulder. Congratulations and good luck. Next name, Scott. Oh, for a minute there, I thought it was Scott Treasty, but Scott Treasty probably needs all the money he can get. Scott T, good luck. Good luck, sir. Oh, it's New York City Architect. Hey, don't. Okay, let's revisit this name. Could you please capitalize the NYC then? You're really messing with me here. Come on, that's terrible. You gotta know at least where to capitalize your letters. Geez, that's not my fault. I mean, you gotta do NYC all caps there. Come on, man. Anyway, let's move it along. Miguel Yapur. Miguel Yapur. I have no idea if I said that right. Okay, next name. Trust me, guys, you do not come here to this channel to learn how to pronounce names. I can assure you of that. Kyle Carter. Good luck, sir. Next name is going to be David Mina. David Mina. And next name is going to be Tivo Kirk. Tivo Kirk. Congratulations and good luck. Next name. Oh, we got an OG. Detonator. Detonator is in the duck race. Let's go. Love to see it. Okay, now we're going to have to remove 5 names, but it's fine. Don't. New York Architect. All right, I will change it next time, but you have to let me win the duck race. We do not accept bribes on the duck race, but it would be interesting. I'm not saying we accept bribes by no means, but it would actually be kind of interesting to see if someone on the duck in the duck race, if you donated like $100 and then you would win, it would be an interesting dilemma. That's all I'm saying. But we don't accept bribes. Okay, next name is going to be Penbird. Penbird 55. On. Sure we get that name right. Penbird 55. Next name. Hey, Trip Moses. Love to see it. Trip Moses, congratulations and good luck, sir. Next name, Bin. Bin Trades. Bin Trades, good luck to you, sir. All right. Next name is going to be Levi Rodriguez. Levi Rodriguez. I used to go to school with a Levi. Very nice. Next name. Actually, this will be the final name. Who is it going to be? And it's Randy Chapin. Randy Chapin. All right, fellas. Oh, wow. I'm not watching the price here. Do we need to take this entry? Oh, man. I feel like we have to, but I don't want to. Is that okay? Man, you know what? We're not going to take that trade. We're just not going to do it. Yes, we are. Oh, man, I'm going to do it. I have to. I have to take the trade. I'm legally obligated to enter this trade. So we're going to take the trade. We're going to have our target right here. And now we're going to do the duck race and just pay no attention to that trade. That trade, we are going to pay no attention to it. It's like we didn't even take it. Which EMA is it? The 21 EMA. I'm afraid my voice is giving out on me. This duck race could be in jeopardy. All right. All right. So we're going to do the duck race. Market only goes higher. Like Alpine said, market only goes up. So there's nothing to worry about. Easy trade, easy trade. Okay, here are all of... What? Okay, hang on. Here are all of the names. Now, we need to clarify something, and we need to set the record straight just for the integrity of the duck race. We need to make sure of something. So Alpine Trader, he is donating. So we're the first duck race, we have to make something very clear. The first duck race we do, if Alpine wins this duck race, we are going to rerun the duck race with an additional $100 added to the duck race, thanks to Alpine Trader. So just saying, if Alpine comes in first, second, or third, I guess then I'm not sure. We need to decide what we are going to do. Hey, target filled. Let's go. See, I told you guys it was a sure thing. Easy. It's easy, folks. You can do a duck race and make money. This market is too easy. Now I have to stop trading the rest of the day. I can't keep trading if I say that. All right, market. Is everybody clear on the duck race? If you get second place in this race and I win, I apologize. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, you're going to have to deal with that on your own, Alpine. You'll skip me if I get second or third and go to the next. Okay, that's fair. Okay, here we go. Let me do some. I think we're ready. Everybody ready? All right, everybody ready. Start your engines, and they're off. Here we go, folks. Now, everybody should be cheering for Alpine on this race. You want Alpine to win in this race, or you want him to be last. All right, here we go. We got a minute and 40 to go. All right, we have who we got here in the front. Ben. We've got Ben E. We got Miguel Yapur in the lead with a commanding 1 length lead. We got Dad Nader. Dad Nader putting on a move for first. Alpine Trader is right in the middle of the pack and looking good. And who else we got here? We got Dad Nader. We got, oh, here comes the, here comes New York City Architect 888 with a very unique decision on capitalization on his name. Randy Chapin now has taken the lead. Here comes Scott T. Randy Chapin, it's very congested. We got a minute left in the race. Here is Alpine. Alpine Trader has officially taken the lead. But is it too early? Does he have the stamina to keep going? Please keep going, Alpine. Here comes Trip Moses. Trip Moses is going to ruin it for everybody. He's taking the lead. Here's Bin Trades. Alpine Trader, you got to make a move. Here we go. 30 seconds to go. Trip Moses is in the lead. David Mina, Nathan Mulder. Who's going to make a push here at the end? Alpine Trader now has fallen off and is no longer in contention. Trip Moses with 15 seconds to go. Can he hold? Here comes Kyle Carter. Oh, here comes TiVo Kirk. TiVo Kirk is making a push. Here he comes. Will he push through? There he goes. TiVo Kirk is going to win it. And there he is. There you have it. I'm pretty sure Alpine did not place at all. I don't think so. TiVo Kirk, the dinosaur duck, from the back of the pack, and he clutches up. And there you have it. Oh, man. Trip Moses. Where did he end up? Trip Moses just fell off. Unfortunate. New York City Architect, that was a close one. New York City Architect and M51, they have to be neck and neck. Okay, yeah, Penbird. Okay, Penbird was right here. Okay, we did not have a photo finish. TiVo Kirk in first place, Kyle Carter in second place, and Penbird 55 In third place, congratulations, and Penbird 55. Okay, timeout. Let's not have an echo in here. All right, special thanks to Alpine for the effort. Yes, Kyle Carter, you did. You won $75. So, hang on. So, Devo Kirk, I'm going to put my email in the chat below. And here you go. Okay. If Devo Kirk, Kyle Carter, and Penbird 55 send me an email, include a screenshot of your YouTube channel just to make sure it's you. And then I will, hopefully you guys have PayPal, and I will, first place will get $100, second place will get 75, third place will get 50. So congratulations to the winners, and thanks for playing. And now we go back to your regularly scheduled program where we will look to make more trades. Is that the Kyle Carter that was a baseball phenom at Columbus High School? Wait, are you serious, Slade? You must know your baseball, if that's the case. Can we see where everyone finished? Yes, let's see. Right here. We had Alpine Trader came in 12th place. That's unfortunate. Dad Nader came in 13th. It's unfortunate. Trip Moses came in 10th. Scott T in 8th. Unfortunate. New York City Architect. Huh. I want to remind, what did I call that guy? What did I call that guy in the beginning? I don't even know how I pronounced that. I said Nike Architect. I said Nike Architect. That's, what an idiot. What an absolute idiot. Oh, you gotta love it. But congratulations. I have one word, rigged. Further investigation pending. Nathan Mulder came in last place. You will get nothing, and you will like it. Oh, it's unfortunate. How in the world did I come up with Nike Architect? That is actually so bad. Oh, the things I do. Just can't help myself. Nike Architect. It just, and it said New York City Architect. Man, not my fault though, technically. I did not know how to capitalize basic English grammar. Not my fault. When can we expect the April payout video? It's usually, I would try to wait at least a week before I do it. At least a week. Oh, man. I mean, at some point today, you would think this market is going to make a bigger pullback, right? You would think so. You would think so, but so far, it has only gone higher. I mean, look at this. We just going higher. And I guess we just keep waiting for pullbacks, and we're just going to keep riding this thing higher until proven wrong. Why not? Don't tempt me with a good time. 5 in third place. Nutty did complete the third grade. No, don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted, man. How were you able to become profitable in 1 year, and it took Al Brooks 10 years and Patrick Whelan 7 years and Jade 10 years? I mean, I wasn't going to just come out and say it, Sky Matt. Like, I don't want to say it, but obviously, no, I'm not going to say it. Alpine Trader, you're such a troll. Alpine. Alpine Trader is such a troll. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is what Alpine said. Alpine sent me this. He said, thanks, Nutty. My PayPal is Kirk at NewYorkCityArchitects.com. Oh man, I'm dying. I am dying over here. You get nothing and you will like it. Oh man. Did you ever end up sharing your spreadsheet for expenses and payouts you created? I have not, Rick, but stay tuned. Stay tuned. I will be doing a separate video and then I'll share those spreadsheets. I get a participation trophy. Send me your PayPal, Alpine. I'll send you $1. I'll send you $16 and I'll send you $16.17. And then you can save it up. And then the next time that Apex has a 90% sale, you can buy one more eval. Oh man, you guys crack me up. All right. We have the real TiVo. The real TiVo Kirk has now officially emailed me. I'll make sure to get it sent to the right one. Is it $16.67? I'm sorry. I knew I was close. Got to make sure I do plenty of giveaways this year so I can have more tax write-offs. So many taxes. So many taxes to pay. I thought that is what Jade said. Maybe I'm wrong. I have no idea. It's fine either way. It is all right. Hey, Penbird55. Thanks. I got your email and oh, Penbird55 wants me to donate to my favorite charity. Thank you, Penbird55. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Which platform? This is Ninja Trader. Man, this market is actually kind of crazy. It is actually kind of crazy today how slow of a grind higher we have seen. I mean, it's been kind of crazy. We are almost at 1 o'clock and we haven't even, I mean, I guess we did dip below the EMA right here, but immediately ripped higher. Man, that's wild. He's wild, man. Kyle Carter. Let's go, Carter. Okay, all the funds should have been received. When you went to the BDH, did you feel the urge to trade and win big, Moses Malone? Not really. When I went to the BDH, my number one focus when I went to the BDH was to not look like an idiot. That was my only objective. I didn't care if I lost or won, as long as I just didn't look like an absolute idiot. My expectations were fairly low. How I prefer to go through life. Low expectations, boys. Low expectations. That's the way to do it. Hey, take care, Alpine. Thanks for stopping in. Have a good wedding. Make sure you play that song. Perfect, Kyle Carter. Awesome. You are welcome. More. That's one of the good streams. Yeah, I appreciate that. How many funded accounts did it take you to get your first payout? Oh man, you know what? That's a great question. Let's just see. Apex Trader funding. Let me log in here. So, I got my first payout on PA number 90. 90. I mean, that's embarrassing. But it's true. It's true. I'm not going to lie. It took me it took me blowing 89 funded accounts before I finally got a payout. Is what it is. I mean, it took me over a year to get my first payout. So, I mean, like I said, that first year was a rough year. It was rough. It was a trying time. Not proud of it, but it is what it is. But once we got our first payout, the avalanche started and it just kept going. Now we're on account number 223. Well, that's the lowest. I still 123 accounts. I mean, I don't even know how many accounts I've gotten payouts, but now we have these five PA accounts. We have now had these accounts for 10 months. 10 months and 150 trading days. Progress, baby. Progress. Apex talks so much of news coming, but we have seen nothing from them. What news? I didn't see when Great Dane. I've seen worse. There's people that in the 200s with no payouts. My heart goes out to them for real. Is Nutty on day 5? No, Jay Jackson. So I'm on day. I still need 2 more days traded on these take profit accounts. Yes, Camber Trades. It got approved the next morning. Yep, we are approved and ready to rumble. I'm just not trading these accounts. This account, we had a slight little mishap yesterday. I was in a trade, I didn't realize it, and when I realized it, we were down $300. So I quickly got out, and then I tried to make the money back. We all know how that ends. And ended up being down $1,200. And then I ended the day $800 negative. And then the overnight session, we made that $800 back. So now we're back to square one on all of these accounts. So now tomorrow, we'll keep trading these accounts. Anyone who says it's easy to trade is selling you something. 100%. Yep, for sure. How many payouts did you take from that account? These 5 Apex accounts that I've had for 11 months or 10 months, I requested I just received my 6th payout. Just received my 6th payout. So ready, hopefully we can just keep, just keep going. What time frame do I trade in the overnight? 2 minute, just like everything else. You got your first payout on your 6th PA, Willie C. And why you got to flex on me like that? No, that's awesome. If you got your 6th payout or your first payout on your 6th PA, that's awesome. And I had so high hopes for when I started with Apex. I mean, I made the mistake of doing the whole 20 account thing. And I learned the hard way that that's not a great way to start out. What is the general time overnight you give trades a go? I mean, usually, for example, like if I go to Tradeify, these are the trades I took in the overnight. I took, where are they? Right here. Where's the overnights? Okay, here we are. I took $90. Some of these trades don't. Man, I'm almost sure I took a trade here. Let me reload, see if it shows. I know I took a trade. And for some reason, why would it not show up? Let me see. I know I took a short trade right here. I literally got a short trade on this move. I entered right here and I got out like right here. I specifically know that and remember it because of the insane move we had higher. And I was like very, very thankful that my target was hit. But for some reason, it doesn't show. But anyway, I trade kind of throughout the night. I sleep only when I have time. I'm just kidding. Most of those trades I put on the trades and then I let it do its thing while I sleep. I got 30,000 from my first 4 PAs. Are you serious, Slade? Oh, wow. See, I always have felt like, or from my experience and from other people, like there are 2 types of traders. There are some traders that enter the game, and when you enter the trading and you start trading, you don't know what you don't know. And you literally go in with a very fearless mindset. Like you don't have any fear. And that can be a really good asset. And I've noticed that some people that go in with that mindset, they immediately have success. And they will get like a really nice payouts in the beginning. But then they run it's inevitable that you're going to go through a struggling time. Like it's just inevitable. And I've found like either if you have success right off the rip, then there is going to be a time where you're going to go through a time where you're going to realize that it's not that easy. Or like me, I went through that stretch right off the rip. And I'm always aware that trading is not easy. Like even now getting payouts, I know it's not easy. Like, and I know that I'm 1 month away from, like, I could go into a trading slump next month. There's nothing guaranteed in trading. It just isn't. Like, there are no guarantees and there are no There are no sure things in trading, but what you learn, I think the difference is being able to get out of slumps quicker and also to avoid the really bad tilt sessions where you just start to really throw a lot of money at these prop firms with no results. That can be a very expensive journey. But everyone has their own unique journey. That's the beautiful thing about it. Okay, do we want to actually take another stab at this? Man, it just feels very it just feels very sus to take another setup here, but man, almost have to, right? We gotta take it. Oh, we didn't get filled on all the accounts. Uh-oh. Oh no, I'm on the wrong account. You know what? It's fine. Oh man. I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing. I forgot that I was on my Tradify tab. I have all these different tabs at the bottom of my chart, and that's how I know which group I'm trading, and I just forgot to look. I might actually just get out of this. I didn't really want to trade these accounts. Oh, I'm only in one micro. Oh. Well, in that case, why not let it go? One little measly micro. What can't do too much harm with one micro. Famous last words. Famous last words. What can one micro do? 2 hours later, market has ripped 1,000 points down. As all accounts get blown on one micro. You gotta admit though, if you would be able to blow your like if you have a 150K account, and you blow the account on one micro, like there should almost be like a sympathy kind of reward. Like that's actually kind of impressive. If you really think about it. If you're able to blow your account with one micro and that's not DCAing, I mean that's impressive. That is impressive. You got to almost should be like some kind of reward for that. Yeah, now I'm just, you know what? I'm just gonna get out. There's no need to. Didn't really mean to be in this trade in the beginning anyway. If it allows me to get out here at break even, I'm just gonna do it. Not in the mood to be annoyed. All right, we're out. All right, now let's go to the actual account we're supposed to be trading in. Why do my charts keep messing up here? Come on. All right, we're back. Okay, this is the account we actually wanted to trade. Oh, it's 1 o'clock. Oh, this is always the time of day where I'm like kind of wish I would be able, I wish I would stream longer sometimes, but I always, like this is always the time of day I feel like it's smarter to walk away. Walk away. It's Friday and shut it all down. Go play some, maybe I'll play some golf. It's not good weather, but I'm talking Maybe I'll test out this controller and see if the golfing is working today. I don't really got anything else to do, but I don't want to sit in front of these screens all day. I'm going to end up taking trades. And there's no worse feeling than on a Friday, you being up green, and then you mess it all up at the end of the day, and you end up red. That is the worst way to go into a weekend. It's always the controller's fault. Well, obviously. You know what? I will. Why don't we play one round of we'll play one round and I'll see if my controller is working. If my controller is working, we'll play. But if not, I'm not going to put you guys through that torture of watching golf that is glitching. I'm kind of done trading this. As I say that, market is tempting me. Market is actually tempting me here. Oh, really, Charles Ward? See, Golf Plus on the Meta Quest is actually so fun. Charles, do you have the attachment? If you don't have the attachment, you have to get it. Here, I'll show you. Where is mine? I think it's in the other cabinet. But Charles Ward, you have to play with the attachment. That's so good. Okay, Charles, if you didn't... Okay, I have to help. Time out. I'll be right back. Charles, right here. This is the controller. This is the attachment you need to get. It's this one right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the green one. This is the really good one because you can put weights in it and it actually balances the club correctly. And there is a big difference. There are other attachments that are similar, but they're not balanced correctly. And it actually makes a big difference in your swing. But hopefully that's the one you ordered, because I ordered another one and I ended up getting this one because it's balanced correctly. Okay, that's the one you got. Let's go. You got the good one. Highly recommended. Oh. Okay. All right, we're gonna play some PGA Tour now. We're gonna be done trading. We're gonna be done trading because we're done trading for the day. Market's gonna roll over now anyway. All right, here we go. Let's hope we can play well. I'm gonna get... I don't have much patience today. I will not play this long. If this thing is gonna be stupid again. Here we go. Is the volume too loud? All right, here we go. We need to play well. I just want to play a solid round. I want to play like even or like 2-3 over.
2K Sports and the Corn Ferry Tour are delighted to welcome you to this year's Q School.
All right, this is going to be
It's go time,
intense.
everyone.
It's going to be
Head out on the
intense.
course.
This
Hello,
is
everyone.
career
I'm
mode.
Kirby. It's great to have you
Just to
company here on
clarify
2K
for you
Sports.
newbies,
Alongside me in the booth is
this
my
is
mate
on
Rich Beard,
Pro-Am.
and on the
This is
course, as always,
difficult.
is Henny Koyak.
This is
And
a
on the bar.
difficulty
There's
settings.
great anticipation in
Okay?
the air, and we're delighted to
Very
have you with
hard.
us as we begin this next event on 2K Sports.
I think that's a good shot.
Okay, let's see
We
if
might
this
be
one
in the
sets
rough,
tone for the round today.
but we should be fine. Not great.
This is not a good outcome. Buried in the deep stuff.
Okay, we cannot be left.
I mean, it literally is just awful.
Okay, we should be on the green. This is, we can 2-putt this for par and we'll be good.
Lining this putt
All right,
from a
all right.
fair distance.
And he's
Gonna
doing it.
break right to left.
Oh, this is going hard left.
We're gonna make sure we don't go too far. Oh, turn!
That's disappointing.
That was close.
This putt
That was
about 6
close.
feet
That was
to
close. Okay, we have to make this. I think this is left edge. Maybe, yeah, I think. Yeah. No!
just missed the par. That'll be a drop shot on this hole. And this one will be for bogey.
Ah, no
He's
comment.
currently in a tie for third here.
That was
Let's take a look at this. Par
okay.
five,
Whatever.
second
Okay, focus up. Oh, now that's a beautiful shot. Beautiful draw.
Nicely done.
Okay,
Taking aim from around 240 yards out here.
and we reach the green. Oh, I like
Going with
this.
the 5 wood. Yeah, this is the stuff we love. Getting
Let's
out for this
go.
par 5 in 2.
Okay,
Using the big
okay,
muscles
putt for
to hold
eagle.
to there.
What are we looking at for this putt?
Man, this might be a straight putt.
Is around 44 feet.
Gonna break a little bit this way.
That came off
Go in the hole!
Nicely. This has got some intent. Will it go in?
Oh!
Yeah, you'd be proud of that one.
That
Even
was
if it
so
doesn't go in,
close!
Very good putt.
Oh, that was so
This
close.
one's for birdie.
Okay, for birdie. Let's go.
And that's a great way to forget about that bogey on the last.
Okay, even par through
To
2.
level par.
We're currently in second place. We're
Looking
doing
to ride
okay.
momentum
Okay.
after coming off a birdie.
Now, this hole, we cannot miss left. We cannot go in this bunker. We cannot go in this water. So we're just gonna, if we hit this to the right, it's fine. I mean, that's way far right, but whatever. Now we're in the trees. Okay, whatever.
Always unpredictable here out of the
Okay, it's fine. We just need to get this on the green. Let it roll out. See it. Dude, not. Oh,
He has this putt to save
if that rolls off the green, we're ending stream. Just saying. Okay, this needs to go in the hole for par. Oh yeah, dead center. Oh yeah.
So no movement there. The player remains
All right,
in
we're doing okay, guys. We're doing okay.
teeing off here at the
Woo! Okay, we are 3 wood. We're gonna hit driver. Now again, we don't want to miss to the right. We would rather miss left. So I'm gonna aim up here. That's why.
This
Oh,
is
that's a
full
beauty.
send.
Oh, that's a beauty. Oh,
This
315
is a
yards.
second shot.
Okay, this one we can go right at it. We're going to put some backspin on this. And we're going to go right for the pin. I like it. I like it. Oh!
Yeah, a quality shot from him. He'll be pleased. This putt
We're feeling
did
it
not
today,
deliver
boys.
distance. All right,
Okay,
Joe,
we
been
need
well
to make
played.
this putt.
Take us through this
This
putt.
is a makeable putt, 10 feet. Gonna be going right to left.
Here's the hole.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad I stopped trading. Market is rolling over. All right. I think. Okay, let's hope this is the line. Oh, I gave it too much.
A par putt on the table.
All right.
That's a disappointing par in the end after
It's okay. A par is still good.
Being a couple
I'll
off
take
the lead,
it.
they can't afford to miss those birdie opportunities.
Okay, and again, we do not want to miss. We're gonna air to the side. Oh, that's a beauty again. In the fairway. We can go at the green here.
This shot coming from around the
142.
150-yard marker.
We're
Only
going to
two
take
shots
an
off the
extra
pace.
club, and then we're going to put some backspin on it. And, yeah, I like this. Oh, no. No!
Looks like this is going to miss just right.
Okay, we're on the
Well,
green, I
at
guess,
least
but
it's on the
that
green.
was
That's the
not where
positive.
I was aimed at.
This one is a fair distance here.
Oh, this is going to be a difficult putt. I mean, this thing is going to break like crazy. We're almost going to have to put, like... I don't know how we get this close to the hole. I think we go all the way up here. Right?
Starting this one way out to the right.
Oh. Okay, that was a good putt. That was a good putt. The name of this game is 2K PGA Tour 2K. This is not an easy putt here. It has got a lot of break. Okay, we're good. Even par through 5. That's a good start. Even par through 5.
Just 2 shots back after that hole.
Woo.
We've arrived
Okay.
at a par 4 hole.
I don't like this hole at all. I'm going to air over here. Okay, that's a good shot. Again. Right down the middle. Okay, we can go after this hole. We can just land it here and let it run up to the pin. Gotta bounce left. Bounce left. Oh!
Well, that sets up a birdie putt, even if it is.
Okay,
mid-range.
okay. Can we
He's
make a
here
putt?
for a share of second on the leaderboard. Penny, take us through the break on this putt.
This one is breaking.
This one's
left to
going
right.
right to left. I don't know, guys. Is this too much? Man. What do you think? I think that's about right. I'm going to go with it. Get in the hole! No!
Not a bad effort right there from long range.
Oh, we've had
Breaking putt. He
two
just didn't quite read it right,
very
but it was
close
easy par.
misses. Okay, even par through 6. Let's go. Even par through 6.
And as we check the standings, our leader has a 1-stroke advantage.
On Fridays, we go eat, die, and always play golf. Oh, nice.
Now on the
Oh,
tee,
look at that
number
move.
par 4.
We're getting a rip higher here. Oh, this, I'm not going to chase. I'm not doing it. I am not trading. I'm done. Okay, here we need to avoid the water. Uh-oh. Oh, dear. No!
What a gargantuan tee shot.
Please don't go in. Okay, we're good. I thought we might be in trouble. Never
Time
mind.
for the second shot here at the 7th.
Man, look at this rip higher. This move is on very low volume, though. I'm just not going to watch. All right, we're going to go at the pin here. And we missed it to the right. Go
This
figure.
one headed in the wrong direction, out to the right.
And this putt is
Okay,
from
we're
30 short
putting.
of the scorecard. Okay, John. What's he
Gonna be
looking
right
at
to
with this
left.
putt?
Well, I'm going to go with 36 feet for this putt. Should be interesting.
Oh my,
So close.
how did that roll out that far?
And this putt coming up for his par.
Gotta make this.
Just a short putt remaining here.
You kidding me?
Currently at plus
Wow,
one for
look
the
at that
day.
dirty
And
move.
moving down the leaderboard as well.
All right, now we're one over. We gotta get it together. Let's just, we cannot have a blow up hole. As I hit one way to the right.
Opting for the 5-wood.
This one's right of the green.
Might want to gather your things, guys. It might be ending soon. Just saying. Sit. Sit.
16 feet to the cup.
This.
All right, we need to
for
make this
par.
putt.
And he's down there. You got a read?
I've got it going left to right.
Nope, we missed it.
3 feet to go here to the hole. The putt goes in, and that's back-to-back bogeys.
Two
Ah.
in a row, never a good sign. Now playing a little.
It's okay. We got some birdieable holes here. Oh, that's gotta get down.
This one's got to pump the brakes.
Down, ball.
Oh, it just barely snuck into the
That was
first cup.
close, fellas. I'm not
Two
gonna
over
lie,
for the
that was
day.
close. All right, do we just go for this one with the 3-wood? I think we do. We go for it. Uh-oh. Yeah, someone's getting killed.
It's heading towards the cabbage.
That's
Setting up for
okay.
his third shot. 4 strokes off the lead.
See it? Ball.
This would be a great up and down from this spot.
All right, we're gonna putt this. Go in the hole. Go in the hole.
Ooh. This is a par putt.
All right, that's a par. It's fine.
Sitting at 2
Gotta
over
get some
for the
birdies
day.
here. Gotta get some
Let's
birdies.
see what happens here at the 10th hole.
Everything going to the right again, and it's annoying me. It's getting annoying. Everything going to the right
I know
again.
that we're in the booth and not right up close to it, but it doesn't take a smart person to work out that's not a nice lie. A bit wild on approach there.
Can't fault him there. This.
What's the name of the game?
Nasty.
This is
Don't fault
NB
this
or
one.
PGA Tour 2K. All right, we might try a flop shot here. I'm gonna try a flop shot. This could go badly, but well, that was the right move.
Oh, I don't mind this par putt.
Okay,
Now
okay,
fall back
we're
after that
okay.
hole.
You can get it for $5. Oh, I see. It is fun, but very frustrating. Again, pushed again to the right. Everything pushed to the right. Okay, we got to get on this green in 2. We cannot miss to the right. We can't miss right. Okay, finally. Go. Not in the bunker.
Oh, John's been down there.
Not in there.
We'll have a quick
Why?
run of the lie here.
Yeah, they are deep
Oh, this
down
is
into
not
this
good.
bunker. Should be interesting to see how they escape this one.
I'm pretty sure he'll be happy to be back on the green.
I mean, we'll take
This
that.
putt is about
This is
8
a-
feet.
This is for birdie. We need to make this.
That's disappointing. Putting for a par here.
That's so disappointing. You got to make those putts.
Okay, holding steady on the leaderboard after that hole. Welcome
I
to
see
par
more
4,
stress
12.
playing this than trading. Actually, this frustrates me more. This game frustrates me more than trading does. Because it
Wow,
doesn't
that's
listen.
an incredible drive.
This
Okay.
shot from the first cut of rough.
Need to get this close. We need to land it like right there. Look, everything pushed to the right.
This one's right of the green.
Here's a chance to get up and down from the green side bunker.
Going home.
Okay, steady now,
It almost went in. Did you see that?
and he needs this.
Oh,
to
it
save par.
almost holed out.
Penny, take us through the break on this putt.
We need to make
This
this
is a
par putt,
big old
please.
Left to righter.
Can we make a putt? Turn, turn, turn.
And the par just slides by. Unfortunate bogey coming up. Just a tiny putt is all that remains.
How do
And he'll drop
how
to
do those
3
keep
over
missing?
for the event. Let's see
Ow.
what happens here on the 13th hole, shall we?
Oh, this has got disaster written all over it.
Just a little off with the accuracy.
I mean,
there.
it could be
Unable to
worse.
find the green. All right, facing a little up and down here to save the par.
Never had a chance. I think I can chip this in. Never mind.
Very crafty, isn't it? Putting now for a bogey. And down it goes.
We're 4 over.
Bad mistake
We
with
got
another compound,
5
not
holes
good.
to go.
Unfortunately, moving down
And
the
we
leaderboard,
need
that's not the
to
direction be.
finish. We need to finish top 10. We're currently.
On the tee now, the
Yikes.
par 4
This is
14th.
not. We need to do something. These next couple holes. And I yank one way right. Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
Setting
This
up for
game
this
is
one
so
in the
dumb.
second cut.
How am I going to hit here? Oh, that's a good shot. Get
With
lucky.
the hybrid. Looks to be making tough work of this hole.
Outside
Yeah,
chance for
we're
birdie here,
putting.
Luke.
That's. I'll take it.
All right, Henny. What's he got in front of him here with this putt?
This is so long, I don't even have words for it. It's just long.
Put a good
I'll
stroke
take
on
it.
this one. That hole's done.
All right. Par is a par is a
Leader now
par.
has a one-stroke advantage. Welcome to the par 4 15th hole.
That's in the bunker.
That's not the one he wanted.
And that's
Number
one
7.
bad shot.
Got some good
Another bad
distance on
shot.
that one. And here we are with the third shot. 5 strokes behind our
Go in the
lead.
hole. Go in the hole.
Wow, that almost went in the hole.
That was a good
This
shot.
putt for par here. Job done. Let's head to
All
the
right,
next.
par 5. We have
Well,
to
that's
get a
certainly a step
birdie
in
on
the
this
right
hole.
direction. Keep it going. Teeing off here on the 16th hole.
And I yank it way right. Get in the fairway. Yes. Okay.
He has his eyes
Okay, this
set
is
on one
actually
place
going to
and
be a
one place
disaster,
only.
but
It's the
we're going to
green.
go for it. Oh!
He'll be disappointed by that. That one finds the water. Well, doesn't take a genius to
I
know
hate
that this
this
is not a
game.
good place to be.
He's going to need an incredible stroke of luck to get this out with any momentum going forward to get it on the green.
Yep, solid connection. This is looking good.
Well, that'll work. Up on the
I mean, we
dance
can
floor.
make this for
Could have been
par.
worse. There's 17 feet remaining to the hole.
And I missed it. Way missed. Bad putt.
Bogey putt coming up here. And this one will be for double bogey. Now 7 shots behind after that. There's always a
Like,
sense of
starting
excitement
to
straight
experience
onto the
some
tee on par
controller
3 hole.
glitches.
Yeah, nicely played. Yeah, good mid-range putt this one. Right on 17 feet.
This is...
is for birdie. A big, swinging, sweeping left to righter. Started beautifully.
Just a 4-footer remaining.
We'll play out this round.
6
Why
under
not?
par. And as we stand on the last tee, it's a par 4. Handy effort, that one. Playing from around 150 yards here.
What are you doing?
That doesn't look good, Rich. Bit too far right for my liking.
Stupid game.
Let's see if we can get this one up and down for par. Ooh, that almost went down. Well, this would be a great par putt if you can make this.
Okay.
So the opening round in the books, Rich. Impressed with your efforts here in the
Looks
booth?
like we are currently in 92nd place.
Well, on behalf of myself, Luke Elvin,
We have 4 rounds. We have to finish top 10. Let's try one more round. Let's try. Let's see how the first couple holes go. Come on, just get me through this.
Sports and the
All right, here we go. We have to start out on, like, we got to start out really good. Okay, that's not a great start. Okay, maybe.
Down to Henny.
He is not going to like this one bit. This is what bad lies are made of.
Okay, we have a chance.
Henny's down there. You got a read?
You can be positive with this because it's up the hill and moving left to right.
Get in the hole. Oh,
That one.
oh
Pretty
my.
obvious, actually.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, wouldn't that have been nice?
All right, one more round and then we're gonna end it. One more round and we're gonna end
2K
it.
Sports and the Corn Ferry Tour are proud to bring you this year's Q School Final. Opening round coverage of this exciting event is about to begin. I'm Luke Elvey, alongside Rich Beam in the booth, and we've got Henny Koyak.
And we
John
hit the
McCarthy
fairway
down
for
on the
once.
course.
Nope.
What a
No, we
thrilling night of
cannot.
action it's set up to be. Henny, what does his lie look like down there?
Oh, some smiles here. A bit of luck in the second
So
cut.
this
He's sitting
this
nicely.
green is actually difficult.
Scorecard filled with threes never hurts. Good putt to make this. Okay, John, what's he looking at with this putt?
This is long range, guys. Long range stuff. Clocking in at around 41 feet to the hole.
Just 4 feet remaining between him and the hole.
Hey,
That's a no-fuss
I
putt.
I will
Get
I
the
will
round
take a
underway, Rich.
par on the first
Nice,
hole.
solid opening
every
hole
day.
right there.
Looking at a par 5 here. Great shot. He's
Okay,
setting up for his
can we
second
get
shot.
on the green? And I pushed it right, but it might work. No!
And that's the line in the sand.
Why? Why?
And he's managed to find the green, but midway
Okay,
from the
we
flag,
have a birdie
after relying
putt.
on a good
We just
putter
need to
here.
make it.
12 feet to the cup coming up. Penny
Gonna
take us
break
through the
right
break
to
on this
left.
putt.
I've given it a good look. I see this one going left at the hole.
No!
Par putt coming up here.
Really wanted a birdie on that.
And he finds himself in a tie for third. Stepping onto the par 3 third.
Just on the green anywhere is fine.
This would be a momentum saver here, getting this up and down.
Oh, I thought that one was going in. It's just about 3 feet away.
Hey,
This
we're
for
good.
par.
And this is
He's currently tied for 5th. We've arrived at a par 4.
and in the bunker. Oh no, in the rough. Okay.
Time for the second shot here at the 4th.
Ooh, I like the line. Be the right number. Sit. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come.
And he's safely on the green. This putt is about 17 feet long.
We need to
He's
make
looking
this
for his
putt.
first birdie of the day.
Get in the hole. Never even gave it a chance. Never had a
One step
chance.
Closer to the lead here. This putt for a share of 4th.
We're playing even par so far, so we're good.
And as we move to the 5th, it's a par 4.
In the bunker.
Yeah, that's just not going to work
Every
for him.
time. Okay, this one might work. Oh. Come down. Come back down. Oh, this is going to be impossible. This putt is going to be impossible.
Now, man on the ground, John McCarthy has been giving us some great reads all day. What's this one doing, mate?
I'm going to do this. This is a crazy putt,
As moving to the left.
but I think this is the move. Oh, man. Show me the hole.
This putt just
Man,
5 feet away.
not a
from the
bad
hole.
putt.
Oh, that's a great save.
Hey,
What
we're
an
on
effort.
par. We are doing good.
He wasn't able to find the green, but saves the par with that putt.
No, not no. And I'm way right.
Hey, that's golf, isn't it? You get some good breaks and some bad
Okay.
breaks.
I need to take the safe approach here.
Look out left.
Okay, we need to get up and down here for par. Sit. Sit.
That's frustrating.
The long par putt. Long par putt. And a difficult right to left.
This is tracking right into the front
Let's
of the
go.
He's currently tied for 4.
Mike H. Hi.
Let's head to this lengthy par 4.
Think that's okay?
That was wonderfully done. And Henny, what's he looking at here?
And from around 135 yards,
Be good. Be good.
And that one finds the putting surface. It's a good shot. Some work to do, however. What are we looking at for this putt, Henny?
setting up this putt 19 feet from the cup.
Get in the hole. Get in the hole.
So close.
Can't get him to go in.
And with it, a share of 3rd spot.
We are even par through 7.
Just one off the lead after that hole. We've arrived now at the par 3/8.
Oh, this could be good. Be the right number.
That's
Oh, it hit the flag.
It's fair to say that that approach didn't
It
the
hit
mark.
the flag.
Take a little less club on that approach.
Okay, if we can just get this. Oh, could we chip this in? Oh, bad. Bad chip. Terrible chip.
If he makes this, he'll save his par.
Gotta make this. Gotta make this. Oh, and I missed it.
That's disappointing. And this one will be for bogey.
First bogey on the card.
Event.
Okay,
Not much
it's
happened
okay.
moving
Let's not
down the
fall
leaderboard.
apart here.
Never a good
Keep
sign.
it together.
And now on the tee, coming off a bogey, trying to reclaim some momentum.
Get down, ball.
Stay on the cut stuff.
Thank you. Woo.
Second shot here on the 9th.
What do we do here? Last time we went for the green, it was okay actually. I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, let's get those
Yikes.
two important things back: timing and tempo.
I mean, I think we're okay here. Yikes. Not sure about that. You want to try a flop shot to here? I'm going to try it. I don't know. I don't know about that move. See it! But that's a bad shot. Now we got...
Chance to get back to even with the card.
Feel like I could have done better
And he's down
on
there.
that.
You got a read?
Yeah, it's hard to even stand straight on this slope. Big right to left break.
Turn,
That's a
turn,
lovely looking stroke.
turn, go!
He's done a nice job.
Oh,
there.
I left it short.
Pretty good chance here. This one's for par.
Okay, we're 1 over through 9. We're 1 over through 9,
Trailing
and
by a
that
couple of
puts
strokes
me...
now.
We are currently in 81st place.
Always love a new beginning.
Market is
Here we are,
trying
the
to make it
opening
move
hole on the
higher
back
now.
nine, The 10th.
Right. Okay, can we put one close?
And this shot from about 150 yards out. 2 strokes off the lead.
Okay. That's,
Shows
again,
on the
just a
pitching wedge
bad...
Lining this one out from a fair
Can't seem to
ways.
put him close. All right. Get in the hole.
And
Yo.
that's going to be a pretty good outcome, that one. In the circle
How
of
is that
friendship.
short?
5 feet coming up to the cup.
If I'm still using Replicanto, yes, I am.
Good move there. Anything north on the leaderboard's always pleasant. On the tee of the 11th, a par 5. And that's a nice strike. This one should find the fairway.
All right, we need to make a birdie,
His second shot here.
and we
Just a birdie back
cannot
from
go
our leader.
left or right. Oh, this is a good shot. This is a good shot. Don't go in the bunker. Don't. Okay, it rolled out. Okay. We need to put this really, really close. Sit.
Didn't that look good for a long time?
Oh, that's such a bad.
This putt for inside the top 5 on the leaderboard. Penny, take us through the break on this putt.
Oh, man, that's
Slider
such a
here,
bad
downhill,
shot.
Moving to the left.
Not a bad effort right there from long range. Big breaking putt. He just didn't quite read it right, but it'll be an easy par.
A bit
And
long
then I
for one.
missed that putt? Are you
This one is
serious?
for bogey.
Oh, my.
The putt
That is
drops.
such a
And
bad
we're moving
bogey.
on. And on the tee now,
Oh,
Carroll
never
for bogey.
mind.
Might have a bit of a sting in the tail. I
Whatever.
imagine. Will this hang on to the fairway? That one just had a little bit too much speed to it. Second shot here on the 12th.
And I left it short.
Always
So
frustrated by
long,
missing
what?
a green.
Now, from that lie, missing the green was always an option.
Wow, that almost went in the hole. Just 3 feet to the cup.
This one is for par.
Sitting at a couple over for the event. The 13th is a par 3.
Yeah, we gotta do something here. Oh, this is a. Oh, is this it?
Going with the 6 iron here.
This is looking good. See it. Oh, what a shot.
That's disappointing.
Looking at the
I'm gonna
caddy,
putt
too
this.
much club there.
Can we put it in? Don't want to leave it short.
Oh, just
Are
missed the
you
birdie.
kidding me?
That's a shame. And just a little bit of clean-up work remaining on this hole.
It was so close. It kissed the
Our
edge.
current leader is enjoying a
Can't get it to
lead.
break in.
The 14th is a par 4.
Oh.
Henny, what's
Okay.
the player facing here?
Setting up here from about 185 yards.
Nope, we missed it to the right. Once again. What's new?
Okay, this one's going to probably just catch the first cut, I think. This would be a great up and down.
Oh, that's a bad putt. That's a bad
This
shot.
putt is about 10 feet from the
We
hole.
gotta make this. We
Henny's
got
down
to
there.
make
You
this.
got a read?
I've had a look from both sides. This is a right to lefter.
Think
Got
we
a
made it.
chance.
How? How is that not in the hole?
Is all that remains. And that sees him drop down
He's
the
so
standings a little bit.
disappointed. I'm so
Welcome to the
disappointed.
tee of a par 4.
And that one's gone.
This one's bunker
And
down.
that one's in the bunker.
3 over
Okay.
par.
Be that way. And that one's in the trees. Okay, never mind. Oh! Oh, what a shot!
That was
Oh,
smooth
what
straight
a
out of the sand. Good
shot!
shot.
I thought I was
Right
in
on
the
4 feet.
trees.
Should make this one.
We have,
Looking for
okay,
his
we
first
have to make
birdie
this
of the
birdie
day.
putt. Do not mess this up. Thank you.
It's a
Let's
fighting
go.
effort. Hit
We're
an
back,
extra,
baby.
managed
We're
to get a
back.
good score regardless.
Well, a
We're
little pep
back.
in your step, up and
Okay.
down from the bunker,
No,
in for
we
the
just,
birdie.
this
Good
next
job.
shot is going to be the determining factor.
It's a big drive.
Oh, dear. Okay. Okay, we need to make a decision here. This is a difficult. I hate this hole. I'm so scared of going right. I'm so scared. Did I do it? I'm right at it. Please go.
To be going with a hybrid here.
Let's go. Let's go. What a shot.
That'll work there.
Oh, did you see that shot? That was sick. Oh, my. Oh, we almost need to see a replay of that. Okay. Okay, we gotta make this eagle putt. If we can make this putt, we're even par. Oh, this is... I don't know. I think this is good. I don't want to go long. I need to make sure we have a birdie putt. That's a gimme. And I miss it. I miss it. So bad.
4 feet to the cup.
All right, guys.
Okay, focus
This
up.
is
Just need to make
2
this.
birdies
Don't do
in a
anything
row.
stupid.
Just 2 shots back. in the
Okay,
third hole.
we made a birdie is a birdie. Okay,
It's
we
time for
we
a one
this is
shot.
now getting very, very. Guys, this is right at the pin. My heart! Did you see? We were an inch away.
Shot here on the
Oh.
17th.
How many days after approval does Apex take to hit the bank account? Today is day 3. 3 to 5 business days, usually. Okay, we just need to make sure we get par on this hole. Go in the hole! Go in the hole! Let's go! Birdie, baby!
And that
Look
will
at this
move up the
replay.
board as well.
Look at that shot!
I'm glad we get to see this again. This
Ugh.
one should be practiced at home.
That's a birdie, back-to-back birdies.
Gotta like it, moving
We
up
are
the board.
even par, and we are tied for 3rd. We just need to make sure
Welcome to the par
we
4
do
eighteen.
not,
In good
I
form, birdie
repeat,
at the last, looking to
do
add on to that.
not blow up on this hole. This is... That was the safe route. We were not going in the water. Okay, we're in the first cut.
His second shot.
Okay, just
one
don't...
stroke off the lead.
I actually want to land it like right here. Oh no, I miss it way right. Way right. What am I doing?
I think so.
Get lucky.
This would be a great up and down.
Okay, we just need to get up and down here. Man. I'm nervous. This thing is gonna break. I mean, I think... Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Oh.
Ooh, that almost went down.
Okay, just make
Well,
this
lovely
par.
opportunity to
Nothing
save par
difficult. Let's go! That's my best round ever. Even par on Pro-Am level difficulty. Best round ever. I'm scared to... I have to play 3 more rounds. I have to play 3 more rounds and be top 5 in order to qualify. Oh, this is going to be brutal. Oh, look, I'm tied. I'm tied for first place. Oh, okay, I'm going to try one more round. Now the pressure is even higher because if now I mess up, I got to restart
3 more rounds to go.
everything.
Looking forward to it.
On behalf
But
of
it's
Rich
going
Beam,
well.
Big
We're
Red,
going to
John
take it.
McCarthy,
We're going to play another round. I like...
So long from 2K Sports.
Maybe we found something. Maybe we found something here. I'm going to play one more round and just hope. Do not blow up on this, please. This is more stressful than trading. It shouldn't be. Woo.
2K Sports and the
Getting
Corn
hot in
Ferry
here.
Tour are delighted to welcome you to this year's Q School Final. It's time to get into
Hey, here we go.
round 2. Let's head out onto the course. I'm Luke Elby with Rich Beam. It's great to have
Okay,
you with
that's a
us.
great
It's all
start.
jam.
That's a
On top of
great
this
start.
leaderboard, 5 players, including our featured player, is tied for
All right,
first.
let's go right at the
And
pin here.
What's he facing with this one?
Yeah, he's looking at maybe a little over 130 to the pin.
Oh, go right. Go a little bit right. Just a little bit. No!
Unable to find the green on this one.
Oh, what a
Definitely the
bad
winner
bounce.
to have gotten
Oh,
all
this is
that
going to be
one.
difficult up and down. Oh, we might have done it.
Okay, so
Maybe.
on the surface, a chance for a
All right,
bit to
maybe
go
we can
here.
save par here. That would
An
be
opportunity
great.
to make a par here.
Let's go. Good
And that
save.
finds
Good
him
up
in a
and
short
down.
second. Time to tee off at the second.
Absolutely tattooed that one.
Not a
This line's
great
pretty deep here.
approach.
Not as easy and straightforward as yesterday's par. So
Oh,
work to be
no.
done.
Oh, dear.
Right into the water on that one.
Oh.
Pine straw is always challenging to read, isn't it?
This is not a... Okay, yep.
That was a bit of a wild swing. Probably be a similar result too.
Oh, we survived? Okay, well, maybe we're not done yet.
Well, that may have come out a little heavy.
It was just so tough to hit the green.
This is
from there.
unfortunate. Stupid game.
How close was that to going down? This putt's about 4 feet from the hole.
All right, guys, that's it. A great time to go out and enjoy some fresh air or something. All right, everybody, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. A good trading day. Great way to end the week and head into the weekend. I'm gonna shut her down for the day. Everybody, I hope you guys all have a great green day and take care. We'll be back on Monday, and God bless.